Hello everyone, and welcome to Thetaboard. Thetaboard is a web interface designed to easily install and manage your Guardian node. It provides you information about the Guardian node in the Theta ecosystem through user-friendly dashboard and wallet pages. In the dashboard page, you'll see different widgets that are the perfect daily companion for any Theta holder. Then, we'll dive into the wallet page. This is useful if you want to get a better sense of your holdings and transactions. Next, we'll see how you can easily manage your Guardian node using the web interface. Finally, we'll show you how to install your own instance of Thetaboard. Now, let's head to our dashboard and have a look at our widgets. The first widget is at the top right-hand corner and available at all times on the website. It's the Guardian node status. From there, you can start and stop your Guardian node, as well as check its status. As you can see, since we just stopped and started our Guardian, the status is now syncing. On the first row, we can see the Theta and T-fuel price evolution over time. Per default, you are looking at the price evolution for the past year to date, but you can also choose to see it for last month or last week. Next to this widget, you can find your wallet composition with the percentage that each asset represents in your wallet. Going on the second row, you will find the Theta Stakes widget from which you can deposit or withdraw your Theta from into your Guardian node. As you can see, each transaction is secure by the official Theta Wallet Chrome extension. This adds an extra layer of security and gives you a chance to review your transaction before confirming it. At the bottom of this component, you will see your Theta Stakes and Guardian node address in which your Theta are staked. The following widget is the Uptime widget. This widget just updated because the Guardian node synced after we stopped it earlier and is now back online. This is where you can find your uptime, status, and the latest finalized block sync time. Finally, our last widget is the T-fuel reward forecast. This will show you the estimated T-fuel earning over time, as well as an estimate on a per day, per month, and per year basis. Let's now check our wallet page. This is the wallet page. On here, you can see your Theta, T-fuel, Guardian holdings, and their real-time market value. Below your wallet, you will find your list of transactions, including transfers, T-fuel rewards, stakes, etc. Now let's go to the Guardian page. When your Guardian is stopped, you can start it, update it, which is going to be useful when the mainnet 3 is released, or download the latest snapshot, which we are doing right now. Once the download is completed, we can start our Guardian node to validate, import the snapshot, and then sync up. Once fully synchronized, your Guardian node is up and running. You can now check your Guardian node summary and copy any information you need by clicking on it. And of course, start and stop your Guardian node directly from this page or from our Guardian node status widget available on all pages. Now let's check out how to install your own instance of Thetaboard on your laptop or a server on the cloud. To do so, you need to enter a command line that you can find on our GitHub. Pick your Guardian node password and wait for Docker to do its magic. Copy-paste the URL given into your browser, and voila, you can unlock your wallet to get started.